guys, I feel like I literally just rolled out of bed. Today was my rest day. I don't work out on Mondays, and so I didn't get up till like 6:30, and I feel like I literally just rolled out of bed. So my energy is really low. I haven't had coffee yet. I haven't had an energy drink yet, and so yeah, I'm just existing right now. But I did want to do this video for you guys. If you are new here, for starters, and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, we did get more offers or more surveys on Flavor Wiki. Didn't plan on doing a video, but I was like, let me just post this video, throw out some tips, and hope that you guys find them useful. And so we did get some more surveys on Flavor Wiki this morning. I didn't check mine till 6:30. And I had some still coming up, right? So that were still popping up when I refreshed. So, and a lot of you guys say that you never see any surveys, you don't get any. Whenever I post, you check, you have none. And so I thought I'd share a couple tips for you guys and hope that they help you. All right, the first one is going to be to check it frequently. All right, I usually will say check early in the morning because I get up early, so I automatically check it. And so check it frequently. Offers do pop up later in the day as well. I sometimes will check it multiple times a day. The second thing you can do is refresh. Always refresh, because I never used to refresh, and I'm pretty sure offers be popping up, but it's like if you don't refresh, then you're not going to see them. Because this morning we got some, and then Justin was saying that he got some for protein bars. I didn't see them on mine, and so I refreshed it, and there they were. And then I got the protein ones, and then I had another one that popped up as well for snacks. So it was Rice Krispies popped up for just 2 of them. Protein bars, I think I had 2 of them as well. And then some snacks that popped up as well. And when I do them on my account, automatically do them on Joseph's account too. Always do the qualification survey. Always do that one ASAP. Like, don't say, oh, I'll do it later. The questions are repetitive. If you've seen one of them, you've seen them all. And as far as answering the questions, you know what? Eat them multiple times a week. You know, I have kids. They have no allergies because they're perfect little kids. And I don't work for any of these industries. None. As a matter of fact, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I work for Shay Enterprise. If I eaten any of these products in the last 3 months, 6 months, yeah, I've eaten all of them. Why? Because I'm a big bag and I eat everything. All right, I don't have no restrictions. I don't have no allergies. We're good. All right. But do that qualifying survey. Do those as soon as you can. Those don't stick around long at all. And I don't see a lot of content creators doing them. So I know Danielle does them. I can't think of anybody else, to be honest, that does the Flavor Wiki surveys. But yes, check frequently. Make sure you refresh. Do the qualifying survey ASAP. Make sure you buy the correct size, because when we first started using Flavor Wiki, we could get any size. Like, there was no restrictions at all. You know, and we would grab the smallest size possible, you know, and now you have to buy specific sizes. So for the Rice Krispie Bliss, for this one, you have to specifically buy the 10 count, all right? I just got it at Walmart. I was trying to find it cheaper somewhere else, but they only have the 6 count at Vons. They only have it at Food for Less, but Walmart has the 10 count. It's $4.98. You're getting back, I want to say $6.03 or something like that on Flavor Wiki, plus $125 back on Ibotta. I didn't do Ibotta for this. I did Walmart Rewards because Ibotta's, my bonus is like 15 for $1 or 18 for $1. So I did Walmart Rewards for these two. So it makes them both like free plus like a $5 money maker. So these 10 count only, and it has to be these 2 flavors. Alright, so I grabbed those today, and then I also had one for this one as well. It says 5-pack, and this one threw me off because it says 20, but it's 5 pouches, so this is the correct one. And on the survey for this one, it doesn't actually say like the ounces, it just says 5-pack. And this is a 5-pack, and I assume there's 3 little muffins per pack. And so this one I grabbed, I'll pop up how much you're getting back, and this one was $3.98. And then what else did I grab? When I was at Vons, I grabbed this one since I still needed this flavor. Target has them for $2.79, but they only have the Cinnabon and the blueberry lemon crumble. And so I had to go to Vons for this one. It was $3.50. I'm probably gonna do them on Joseph's account, but I'm waiting for the new sale to start tomorrow to see if they'll be on sale. But they're $3.50, getting back 12. And that one, it has to be the 6 count. I think with the Pop-Tarts, there's only one that requires you to get the 16 count. The other ones require you to get the 6 count. And then when I was at Vons, I also grabbed, this was one of the items I had that requires you to buy the single. It has to be the original mega size. It was $1.25. And so I got that. And then I also went ahead and grabbed the Reese's Fast Break. It has to be the king size. And for this one, it was $2, getting back $2.70, I want to say. And so these I got from Vons. And I did get a few other things. But with Flavor Wiki, yes, make sure you get the correct size, because if you don't get the correct size, they're not going to pay you. And by then, you're probably most likely eating them already, because you're a greedy person like me, and you've already eaten it before the survey even cleared, because you have to take a picture of the thumbs up or thumbs down with the item open. So it's open, you can't take it back to the store. So just don't even chance it. I'm not chancing it. Just get the size that they're requiring you to get. For payment, it usually takes, I think they say 5 days, but sometimes it takes 2 days. It just really depends. But I try to do these surveys as soon as I can. As a matter of fact, as soon as I get home, I'm gonna do them all. And when they pay you, they send you an email. All right, from that email is where you click that, you know, PayPal or whatever, and it goes straight to your PayPal. But you have to accept the payment through that email. So if you don't see the email in, like, because I don't think it takes very long. Once it says paid, it normally takes a couple days, if that. So just keep your eyes open for that email, because if you don't accept the payment or whatever, then you're not going to get it, right? And I always do PayPal, and it goes straight to my PayPal. And then we rinse and we repeat. And so I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. If any of these tips were helpful to you, please let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.